guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls, bringing you a 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. This vehicle has 8,000 miles, is a one-owner, accident-free, and smoke-free. Has the power drop-down tailgate, as well as a nice bed liner. Coming around the inside, you can see this nice leather interior. Coming around to the dash, you can see your steering wheel controls, as well as a heated steering wheel, and some safety features, such as side blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, nice huge 13-inch touchscreen, as well as HD surround vision there. This also has heated front seats. If you're interested in this 22 Chevy Silverado, stop in or give us a call today.